video of NPC. We're playing Build-A-Boat Part 2.
We're playing Build-A-Boat. We're playing Build-A-Boat again. And I made the sickest creation ever. It's just a thinner plane. I can, and I will. Man, get your.
No, please, just let me drive, okay? Oh, wrong thing. Ah! You're gonna kill us all!
I only killed you and not me, so I don't see where I'm killing us all.
You're gonna kill us all!
That's what happens when you mess with my plane.
Good.
Now, would you like to enter? Would you like to enter? Opened door for entrance. Oh, you didn't enter the normal way.
Wait, hang on. No, I want to check my beard. Just check if it's still there. Okay, yeah, it's still there. Hang on.
Yes, we can leave! Yeah! Unicorn horn!
Pink fluffy. Well, it's not pink or fluffy.
Pink, gold metal unicorn flying with rockets.
Why can't I interact with it? It's mine. Why can't I interact with it?
I might have made a mistake. I made a mistake! Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. How do I discombobulate it?
You have to wait till the time limit.
No!
Just let go.
Why did I let my intrusive thoughts win?
It's your fault, not mine.
You're the one who placed it. Oh my god.
You're the one who interacted with it.
You're the one who placed it.
You're the one who interacted with it.
Man, I'm gonna shoot you.
Try me.
Ah!
You missed.
Oh no! One of our rockets were reported down.
What?
One of our rockets were deleted.
Supersonic racing.
Supersonic racing? Ow.
You missed.
Supersonic racing.
We're getting it. Supersonic racing.
Oh, we're gonna miss? Okay.
What did I just say? Red, did you hear me?
No! I gotta get in. I gotta get in the plane.
Oh, man.
I got in the plane, sucker.
Wait for me. Wait for me, you stoop. Wait for me. I got kidnapped.
No, that is the superior kidnapping machine.
I made you stuck.
What
you
just
can't run out of
happened?
fuel.
What just
happened? I made you run out of fuel.
No.
I played
No.
to guide you.
You're a bully. Yeah.
Okay, get out of. Oh god, that sounds like unicorn horn.
Unicorn.
No, you haven't. You missed, Dum Dum. You missed, Dum Dum. You missed, Dum Dum.
Yoink. Oh. Yeah.
You did.
Oh.
You missed, Dum Dum.
How does that work?
You missed, Dum Dum. You missed.
You know what? I don't care anymore. Supersonic racing.
Wait, what about me?
Fine, I'll come back for you.
Where even are you?
Right here. Kidnap. Oh.
You missed this. Get back over here, you big monkey.
Here, join
Big
it.
idiot.
My
Damn
head
it.
hurts.
Just drive the plane. You said you would let me drive before we start the video.
Yeah, well, you're a monkey.
Yeah,
I
it's an
let you
AFK
drive
farm.
before.
It's an AFK farm. Ruin it. Ruin the AFK farm. Go to Blue's team.
Woman.
Blue's team.
Is this a cat woman?
Don't
They have cat ears.
Yes.
That might be my
That's
sister.
a cat. What's wrong with you? That's a 9-year-old.
What?
That's a 9-year-old.
Wait, what's wrong with my sister being not?
That you don't have a sister.
Wait.
You don't have a sister.
Wait! Ah!
Red, control yourself. Stop the AFK farm.
Fine, I'll stop the AFK farm. Ow, I can't.
No!
No! Why? Why did you have
Red.
to die like that?
Because it was your fault.
No, it was your fault. No. No. Where is this?
It was you.
Where is she, though?
Blue team.
Blue team. She said blue team.
Shay?
What do you mean? Why are you
You
confused?
said she.
They asked to join, so I accepted.
No.
It is
No,
other cat woman.
No. Wait, control mine. Oh wait, no. I'm control of my thing now. Stabby stab. Anyways, say goodbye to your unicorn horn.
Yay! Hell yeah! Woman,
hell
you might want to get on the plane. Woman.
Nah.
Alright, well, goodbye.
You say it then. You should have said that then in chat.
Whee!
You were supposed to go to the plane. Never mind, he died.
Woman, don't you
Go
dare.
to the plane.
Woman, don't.
Go to the plane.
I am going to
I
the
am
plane.
going to take the plane. I am going to be the owner of the plane.
No! I
Ew.
refuse.
Sit down, hey, I want to go back to mine.
Hey, bad.
Stupid. What do you mean bad?
Bad. I mean bad.
Okay.
Anyways.
Johnny.
Continue! Right here!
I'll get you. I'm gonna do something. Stop the AFK farm. I'm gonna stop the AFK farm. Unlike you being an idiot.
I can't!
What? No, they made it so we can't get in. Oh, it broke anyway. It broke anyway. False alarm, it did not break.
What do you mean, false alarm, it did not break? Oh,
it looked like
Fibble-gibble.
it broke in my opinion.
No!
How are you already there? Why did you pass? Wait, killer, do something.
I say we switch servers. Because I killed the woman.
Nah, I think she could forgive.
But I want to kill her more.
Okay. Then kill her more. Ooh. If you want to kill woman, kill her, not me.
I want to kill you more than that, though.
Why?
I'm still concerned.
What do you mean? You can only kill me if I drive the plane. Without you resetting yourself. Fine, I'll help you launch. I can't even make you launch.
You know what? I want to